Getting great results from AI starts with one thing: the prompt. In this video, I'll show you a simple 6-phase process to make prompt writing easy and effective. Phase 1. Prepare the framework. To start, think about the technique you'll use: zero shot, one shot, few shot, chain of thought, chaining, or contextual. Then decide what kind of output you want, such as text, image, or code, and identify the task, topic, or scenario you want the AI to address. Finally, add context like your role, purpose, audience, and why you're asking AI for help. Phase 2. Set parameters. Decide how you want the output to look in terms of format. Do you prefer a list, a paragraph, or headings? What tone fits best: formal, casual, or persuasive? You can even give the AI a persona, like you're a new customer service rep, to shape the response. Add any key details like names or dates. Phase 3. Write the prompt. Start with a clear action verb like generate or create. Combine your framework and parameters into one simple instruction. Then read it back. Does it make sense, or could it be misinterpreted? Watch for hidden biases or assumptions that might alter the quality of the output. Phase 4. Analyze the output. When the AI responds, don't just accept it. Check for accuracy, relevance, and bias. Make sure it matches what you asked for. Phase 5. Refine and repeat. If the result isn't quite right, tweak your prompt. Try a different technique or adjust the details. Iteration is part of the process. Phase 6. Finalize. Once the output is closer to what you're looking for, polish it. Edit for clarity, make sure it fits your organizational standards, and validate the content with subject matter experts, if needed. And that's it. A 6-phase process to help you write prompts that really work. Now it's your turn. Start practicing and see how much better your AI results can be. To learn more about this prompt writing process and how to apply it strategically to instructional design, check out our Enhancing Instructional Design with AI workshop at langevin.com.